In this video, we're going to look at the process of signing up, logging in, installing PicoBerry in the browser, and connecting it to UModeler X, which is now free to use. To begin, head over to PicoBerry AI. On this page, you'll see the login button at the top right. Now, let's click that. After clicking the login button, you'll be presented with options to log in using your email, a password, or your Google account. If you choose the email only option and click the Get Code, you'll receive a verification code in your inbox. If you choose Use Password, you'll be asked to sign in or sign up. There's a link here to create a new account. After clicking Sign Up, simply enter your email, create a password, and then click Continue. Now at this point, you'll be sent a code to confirm your account, but hang tight. Once you confirm your account, your turn is coming soon. PicoBerry is currently an invite-only access, so we're rolling out invites in waves, but don't worry, you'll get your invite soon. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface, a header bar, a stage area, a left sidebar, and a right sidebar. The header includes a quick workspace dropdown, your collections link, and on the right side, you'll see your credits, notifications, and profile menu. The left sidebar is where you'll spend most of your time working through your workflow. You have image generation, model, remesh, texture, and animation, which is coming soon. In the center is the viewer, and on the right side, your generations will be organized and import details will be listed. You may notice the Unity icon at the bottom of the stage viewer. After clicking this, you'll be presented with a free download of UModeler X, which installs directly to your PC so you can import it into your Unity projects at any time. Now to install, you simply need to download UModeler X Unity package, head over to your Unity project and click on Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and you'll be all set with UModeler X. But it doesn't end there. Once installed, you'll notice the UModeler X overlay toolbar has changed slightly. You may see a small alert icon showing details or an update information. Now, next for PicoBerry, there's a new icon that allows you to connect your PicoBerry account inside of Unity. This is great because now you can view and generate directly inside of Unity. Click the PicoBerry icon and the PicoBerry window will appear. Then click Sign In. It should open your browser and check if you already are logged into your PicoBerry account. Just click Continue on that screen and that's it. If you've created any generations, you'll see them listed here. If you want to generate, all you need to do is click Generate Image or Generate 3D, depending on which tab you have selected. Now there's more to go over, but this should get you up and running. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. You can find us in the Discord channel sharing our latest generations.